needed here. That's not correct. Not this. That's not correct. That's not correct. Yellow. 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 Awesome! We found so much color yellow. You need to collect 3 red elves. Red. 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 You're great! It's filled with color red. You need to collect 3 blue elves. Blue. Blue. Let's check out where blue. Color blue is collected. We've collected all the colors. We've found so many colors that we can solve more problems. The kid's pet elf has a broken wing. Let's help. The elf has a broken wing. Let's fix it first. The wing is missing a piece. Let's make a beautiful feather wing for the elf. Intact feathers are crucial to a beautiful wing. Awesome! The feathers are all chosen. Next, let's mix some pretty colors. Choose 2 colors and pour blue, yellow, green, blue, yellow, green. Magic color flick! Wow! We've mixed so many colors! Let's color the feathers. Green! Light orange. Light green. Yellow. Pink. Light orange. Green. Light purple. Yellow. Light yellow.